Hello, it's Sierra with WTI. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but I live in a pretty old school apartment, which is great and fine until you realize all of your outlets are two-prong. And that's not very great, especially if you're working in the kitchen. My air fryer, my coffee maker, they're all three prongs. So I bought these super efficient two-prong to three-prong adapters. I bought multiple of them because I have multiple outlets, and it's nice when I'm working in the kitchen, I have 2 or 3 things I want to plug in. They've got this little tab on it that makes it super sturdy, which is great because it's a snug fit into the outlet. And then you can put heavy cords into this little adapter. And then when you go to unplug them, they don't pull out the whole adapter. They're super heat resistant, which is very nice in any kind of electrical device you're using.
And I can honestly say these have saved my life on multiple occasions. Also on the go, you'd be surprised how many outlets are still two-pronged.
That's just my point of view.